So, hello guys, Anita here. Today we are going to do a love and career reading for Scorpio and the Capricorn. The first half is going to be for Scorpio and the second half is going to be for Capricorn. The timestamp is in the description box, and also it will be available in the comment section. You can go and click regarding your zodiac signs. It is a general, it may or may not resonate. Kindly take what resonates with you. If you want to book a personal reading, all the details are in the description box. You can reach me out to WhatsApp or Instagram. Okay, roles may be reversed. It could be about you, or it could be about your partner, or it could be about anyone. Let's do it for Scorpio first. The love reading. Scorpio love reading, please. Scorpio love reading, please. Scorpio love reading, please. What is the immediate future? What's the immediate future? The overall energy for you guys is 10 of swords, which is 10 of swords, temperance, justice, 5 of pentacles, king of swords in reverse. You are not rushing towards anything. Something is completing over here. Something is it's done. Something is over here. Some cycle is completing, and I feel like something is completely, the cycle is completed. The situation is over. We cannot go back. So in the current situation seems to be, I'm moving on, because you have realized your worth. Maybe you have realized your work. I feel like you are in the past still. No, you are worrying about it, but still you cannot able to overcome the situation. You are trying to move on, because even the overall energy seems to be 10 of swords. You are trying to heal yourself. You have suffered a lot, but still you're trying your best. You are moving on. For even in the immediate future, I could also see people could also be pregnant. Even the childrens are involved in this thing. I feel like, are you worrying about the person you missed, or are you worrying about the missed opportunity with a particular person? I don't know. Over here you feel, you seems to be very bored. You seems to be very uh, worried here, but let's see. Okay, why the 10 of swords is here? Why the 10 of swords is here? Why the 10 of swords is here? Okay, 10 of swords is clarified by the king of pentacles and the magician. You have taken this decision. You have taken this decision to come out of this situation particularly. Yes. Why the queen of cups is here? Why the queen of cups is here? You are so much in love. You have involved yourself so much. You are emotionally invested so much in that love. The present situation seems to be, you have given up totally. It seems to be very much abandoned. You seems to be very much disappointed over here. Yes, this could be involved the people who are with kids. Also could be with the people who are already got married. You seems to be worried. You seems to be not happy. You're worrying much. You're maybe, or you, I don't know why, but you seems to be very much crying. You're not happy. The present situation seems to be very worst. Why the 8 of cups is here? Why the 8 of cups is here? Okay, 8 of cups is clarified by the king of wands and the fool, which is in reverse. You don't want to take a chance. You don't want to take any leap of faith also. You don't want to take any kind of what do you say, like I don't want to take any chance. I'm done. I have given my best, but still I am not. I feel very foolish over here, so I'm moving. I'm moving on. You feel like you know the answer. This is not going to work out, and you're just moving on. You're just moving on. I think I know Scorpio have some impulsive within this. I think you have taken any impulsive choices over here. Let's see why the Empress is here. Why the Empress is here. Why the Empress is here. Yes, you have kids over here. Okay, sorry. My bad. Okay. I have three cards over here. Ten of Cups, the Emperor, and the Page of Wands. Okay. It seems to be very, kids are definitely involved in the situation, or you must be pregnant over here. And in the immediate future, he seems to be very much stubborn, and you're not going back. He seems to be very confused. You feel like you have taken actions regarding on your opinion. If you have, I mean, in the present you feel like you know everything and you have come out of the situation. Definitely most of the people got married over here because the commitment, hierophant is over, it's present in the situation. And yes, and also I'm getting Ace of Cups. Is there any maybe for some of the people new love chances are also there? New love chances are also there for some of the people. Why is the Ace of Cups is here? Okay. Why the Ace of Cups is here? Why the Ace of Cups is here? Okay, maybe someone is maybe I feel like it could be the same person is coming again in your life over here. I don't they feel so obsessed over you, and they're also coming in with some toxic, they have not healed themselves properly over here, or you have not healed yourself properly, because I'm getting the Devil and the Knight of Cups, which is telling me over here maybe they are coming again in your life over here, but he seems to be very stubborn, and it's not healthy again. It seems to be not healthy again. Even if a new person is coming in your life, no, I don't seems to be very healthy over here. Why the Four of Cups is here? Why the Four of Cups is here? It's done. You have taken your decision regarding on this death and the Two of Cups. No, I am done. No, it's already over. There is no point in crying over the spilled milk and watering the dead plants. You feel like you feel so because it's done, and you're trying to move over your, yes, there is pain over here, but still you're trying your best to move on, but it is completely, it's done. One second. Where is his relationship heading to? Is there any point? Where is his relationship heading to? Where is his relationship heading to? Where is his relationship heading to? Because I don't see your happiness over here. Where is his relationship heading to? Seven of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. Someone is not expressing. Someone seems to be very obsessive, very possessive. Okay, it still seems to be, you know, you're waiting. You feel like, let me wait. Let me wait for some time. Okay, some people wants to wait, okay, for a very long time, but you don't want to be there, and at the same time you don't want to give up this relationship also, in and out. So this is what I do have for you, Scorpio. You guys have a very good connection, but something has to end because let me look out a career reading for you. Career reading for Scorpio, please. Career reading for Scorpio, please. Career reading for Scorpio, please. I'm very sorry. The total cards are in reverse. I'm very sorry. You're waiting for a change, okay? Overall energy is okay. You're healing over here, you're resting over here. Maybe in the present situation, I feel like I'm gonna go, I'm gonna get it. Yes, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna get it. Because a lot of politics, a lot of conflict, a lot of disagreements over here. Maybe you're not beating yourself, but yes, there is a silent or cold war it is happening among the colleagues or among your partnership, something like that. You're trying to guard yourself from the people, you're trying to guard yourself, but still, I don't leave this, I want this, because this is my career, I do not take it for granted. Okay, money is there, yes, but that is a little bit struggle, but you are being very stubborn. I don't think so you are going to give up this easily on your career. Okay, you're guarding yourself so much over here, Scorpio. um, let's see. uh, and in the coming days, in the upcoming days, it seems to be uh, money is prosperity, victory, accomplishments, it's everything is going to be there. But I'm also getting a wheel of fortune card that that good change is coming on your way. I don't know, let me clarify why the wheel of fortune is here. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Fool and the Four of Wands, which is telling me over here you are taking your power back over here. Yes, the uh, in the present situation you're fighting for yourself or for the work you do. I'm gonna get it, I'm going to finish this target, I'm gonna do everything for sure. That is, everything is going to reflect in your upcoming days for sure, because I'm getting a Queen of Cups, the abundance, which is certainly coming on your way. Abundance is certainly coming on your way. And also I'm getting Ten of Pentacles over here. And also I feel like it's raining up here. Oh, I could hear the drizzling sound. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, and the Wheel of Fortune, which is telling me the Fool, it's clarified by the Fool, and there is a little bit risk over here in the upcoming days, but you're going to, it's going to be a leap of faith. Um, yes, but it's going to give you a celebration in your career. Okay, let me check out once again. Let me check out. Will they shine through in this case? Will they shine through in this case? What is the outcome? What is the outcome of the situation? Show me the one card, please. What's the outcome of the situation? Outcome of the situation seems to be, oh, I feel like maybe the outcome of the situation seems to be a little bit a negative one is also there. So I just want you to be very careful. Maybe the people you're trusting can give you a very tough time over here, so I just wanted to be very careful, because I'm getting the tower moment over here. So please be very careful whatever the steps you take, because it can be give distraction, it can give a distraction in upcoming days also. So please be very careful, but everything seems to be fine. But Outcome is, I don't know, outcome is giving me such things. Maybe you're not seeing the truth of the people, like, the people whom you trust, could be. Okay, maybe you'll get some new perspective, or new, maybe going to get a new awareness that's going to disappoint you in the upcoming days. Could be. But let's see why the tower is here. Outcome of the situation, why the tower is here. Because I could sense some distractions. Yeah, it's clarified by the Empress and the Three of Wands. The outcome may not be favorable for you. The change would give you the happiness, but you can expect a change, you can expect some good change, but this change is going to give you a lot of new perspective in your life. It's going to take a toll on your commitments. You're unable to focus on the full picture of the situation. This is what the outcome I could see over here. So I'm just warning you to be very careful. Let's hope for the best. Let's move on to Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, let's do a reading for love and career. Let's start with the love reading over here. Okay, it may or may not resonate. It's a general reading. Take what resonates with you. The personal reading details are in the description box. You can reach me through here. The roles can also be reversed. Love reading for Capricorn. Love reading for Capricorn. One more, please. The overall energy is Knight of Cups, but I could sense a I could sense a lot of sadness over here for Capricorn. Um, you do have a lot of sadness. Maybe you're thinking about a lot of past. You're not able to come out of your past situations in your life right now. Is that so? This is what I could sense it over here for you, Capricorn. But let's clarify, because um, it's been like a waiting period. You feel like, I want to let go of this person from my life because it's no longer serving me. This relationship is giving me a lot of headache. I could see that here. But in the immediate future, again, you were worrying about the decisions which you have taken in the past, in the future, in the upcoming days. But let's check, let's do a clarifications for your reading. Where the Knight of Cups is here. But I feel like you want to get engaged with people, you want a romanticized relationship over here, because or you feel like you want to offer something to someone, you want to apologize to someone. This is what I'm getting it over here. You want to apologize, or you want to go again, or you want a relationship over here. Knight of Cups. Why the Knight of Cups is here? The Knight of Cups is clarified by the Hanged Man and the Ten of Wands. Okay. The movement is very slow. The movement is very slow, or there is no action is taking place in your love relationship, because the horse is not moving, because of overload, everything is not happening. And also the hanged man, you're trying to see things in a perspective, but you could not take any actions in your love relationship. This is what I could sense from the cards. You could not take any actions, you cannot do anything, there is no movement, there is nothing, there is a lot of stagnation. Even I could sense the same in your cards. Why the Nine of Cups is here? Why the Nine of Cups is here? Why the Nine of Cups is here? Nine of Cups is clarified by the King of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, we were so happy, everything was fine, but still, the numbers are, the numbers are in reverse. Seven of Cups, Nine of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. I'm very disappointed. I'm just, either you're taking a temporary break or you're just letting go of. No, you cannot take any actions on this, because I've been waiting for a very long time. How long should I wait? How long? It's how many centuries or how many decades it's gonna take? Why the Eight of Cups is here? Why that? Maybe some people are involved with Leo, some people with Aries. Why the Eight of Cups is here? Why the Eight of Cups is here? Yeah. I'm not at all going. I'm not at all going. I'm not at all going. I'm not at all gonna rush. I'm not at all going behind. I'm done, because Knight of Swords in reverse. I'm not going to communicate. No. I'm not rushing. No, I'm not gonna do. Let me take my time. No. Why the Four of Cups is here? Why the Four of Cups is here? Why the Four of Cups is here? There was so much of love, but yes, maybe you want to take a second chance, or maybe you want to apologize, maybe you want to offer again. The roles may be reversed. You may be trying, or that person may be trying to get in touch, but uh, I don't think so. Like, you're you're not ready for it. You're not ready for any second chance, or you're not ready for to go again, to get into that relationship. Why the Emperor is here? Why the Emperor is here? Emperor is clarified by the Three of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, which is seem to be, I have created this. I can able to be on my own. I'm very independent. But I don't want to make you wait also, but at the same time, I don't want to give up on my personal space. I'm happy on my own. Why the Five of Cups is here? Is there a stability missing in your relationship? Unstableness. Five of Cups is clarified by the Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Yeah. Worrying about the past in the upcoming days, but again, expect a text or message. Some people could start something new life, new adventure. Can start manifesting something new in your love relationship. Let's see, where is this relationship heading to? Where is this relationship heading to? Where is this relationship heading to? Five of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. Lot of disturbance, lot of conflict. Again, Four of Pentacles, not expressing or holding yourself back. Five of Swords, which is Five of Swords, which is you know could be some immaturity, that exactly. Because could you see this person face? Even when you guys communicate, it's not going to be a positive one. Yeah. So at last it's yours, your call, your thing. Okay, but what I could say is take your time, don't take any impulsive decisions, because time seems to be very bad for you, or you are in a negative mood, something like that. But you cannot let go of this person at the same time. You're ready to wait, because I have seen the cards also. Okay, let me wait. Let me check if this works out. Let me check. Let me wait for it. Carrier for Capricorn, please. Carrier for Capricorn, please. Carrier for Capricorn, please. Carrier for Capricorn, please. The oral energy is Four of Wands, which is telling me over here, okay, you're celebrating. At the same time, money seems to be a little bit problem. There is a lot of conflict which is happening in your career too. Some things are completing over here. You're ready to take up a new job offers also. And you're very alone. You're trying to isolate yourself from the people. You're having a lot of you're defending yourself over here. But let's check why is it here, why it is maybe it could be suitable for the people who are in partnership, collaboration. Okay, in the present it seems to be like one second. It seems to be a lot of collaboration, teamwork over here. Two people. Yeah. Maybe people are trying to betray you, trying to backstab you over here, thing over. But let's see, is there any growth happening? The overall energy for you is you believe in justice will prevail. Something will get balanced for sure. The overall energy seems to be that. But in the present situation, let's check why the High Priestess is here. Why the High Priestess is here for Capricorn, for career reading. The new financial abundance is on the way. You're manifesting something new, maybe with a very old person. Maybe this could be for the very business people, or the people who are trying to collaborate with other people over here. Yes, there is an offer coming on your way, because I could see maybe a new financial abundance. Okay, new financial abundance, new job, new money coming in. This is what I could see over here. And you're collaborating with the people, but at the same time I could sense some sadness over here, which is why, let's check why the Five of Cups is here. Why the Five of Cups is here? Because you feel like you have a lot of illusions, you have a lot of fear over here. Like, can I able to do this, can I able to do this, will they betray me, or will they do this to me? Like, you have that lot of fear, you have that lot of, you feel like, okay, people are trying, okay, a lot of illusions, a lot of, you are dreaming. Could be you're dealing with the Pisces people over here. You're dreaming, you're worrying, okay, you're making illusions on your own, like you're not involving much over here. Yes, the financial abundance is here, but still, yes, it is a very growth, and the overall energy seems to be good, but you seems to be worrying over here. You're not expressing much, and you're just daydreaming a lot. I feel like you're daydreaming a lot, or dreaming about your fear. Will this work out? Can I shine through? Uh, but in the upcoming days, everything you're going to run, you're going to lead, like you're going to make this way as a possible way. Why the Page of Swords is here? Why the Page of Swords is here? Yes, you're going to be very firm, you're going to be very determined in whatever decisions you take. You're going to be very logical, you're going to make all strategic plans in your career path, which is going to bring a lot of clarity, a lot of victory in your path over here. Let's see why the Knight of Cups is here. Why the Knight of Cups is here? Why the Knight of Cups is here? Why the Knight of Cups is here? Knight of Cups is clarified by the Five of Wands and the Strength, which is telling me over here, okay, maybe because of your change in your behavior, change in your determination, people might find bit challenging in your career, because it's still you are like cute lion all these days. Now you have become a massive, strong, strengthened lion. So people are finding it very difficult to accustom with you. Maybe they feel very disappointed. Maybe they will disagree with you. Let's see what is the outcome of the situation. What's the outcome of the situation? But overall energy seems to be very pretty good. Do not worry about it. Do not try to hide your emotions. Don't have any bad dreams about it. It will give you all success. Don't manifest negative emotions over here. What's the positive outcome? What's the outcome of the situation? Okay, it may give you a lot of options, a lot of choices, a lot of opportunities. It's going to be there. You're going to be stubborn over here, and you're going to shine through. Definitely, because I could see a stability here. You're going to be a very stubborn person. You're going to dominate the persons, but don't have that dominant thing, but try to have a strategic plan, strategic things. You're going to get a lot of options and choices over here. Okay, all the best. Let's rock it through.
Yeah.